My name's Spencer. I'm a senior project manager here at Pergomatic. Today we're in Redmond, Washington, and I wanted to show you the most recent project that we just completed. The client reached out to us with some challenges that they wanted to solve. They have some neighbors and a little bit of privacy issues. They wanted to be able to use the space during all 4 seasons. Their yard was a little bit smaller, so they wanted to utilize the space a little bit better. The solution that we came up with was to attach the pergola to the house, install our Louvered system. It can open and tilt to 135 degrees. That way you can let some light in when you want it. Screens to go around the whole perimeter of the system. This will help retain the heat, keep some cold out, as well as give them some privacy. Dimmable lights that are in the louvers, for perimeter lighting that goes around the whole frame. This is a color changing light that you can control on the remote. We also did some heaters so that when their screens are closed, you can cozy up the space in the winter. The system is 100% waterproof. We have an integrated gutter system that goes around the frame and through the posts. So the water gets caught on the louvers route the water to our main gutter system, which then drain throughout one of the posts that we choose to drain out of. Screens that we use for our pergola, it's a seamless integration. We have a hood that goes up at the top where the screen rolls up into. Then we have tracks that go along the sides, which in this scenario we attached a track to the post and then one to the house, and then it has a weight bar that goes along the bottom. That way it's a rigid screen, doesn't blow around in the wind. When the screens are totally closed, you block out a little bit of wind. That helps a lot with cozying up the space, as well as during the summers, you can block out the sun. Another benefit of the screens is keep those mosquitoes out of the place. When we do a scenario like this house where we attach our post to the deck, we have these brackets that go on the inside of the post, so it looks like our post just comes and sits cleanly on the deck, but really it's attached and braced to the decking itself. The benefit of having heaters with our system is that you can totally enclose the space. You bring your screens down during the winter, you turn the heaters on, takes the chill off, and then you can hang out, cut the wind out. Reach out to us if you want to elevate your backyard patio into a 4-season space. We can have our project manager come out, give you a consultation, and make your dream patio project come true.
Pergomatic, 4-season comfort.